Alright, today we're going to be reviewing the Michael Kors Lexington Gold Tone stainless steel watch. I'm a big fan of Michael Kors. Everybody knows I love Michael Kors. They make great quality watches. I just ordered this from Amazon. Just came in today, so let's get to the unboxing of this. And let's see. Let's see here. I'm trying to get to the camera. There you go. Boom. Alright.
I'm gonna speed this up because I hate the actual unboxing stuff. It always takes long. Here we go. I'll try not to do this. Alright, so this is the actual watch. And I actually paired this watch with a lot of my suits. It's a nice little box that comes in. Looks like a good durable box.
Oh, nice case, actually. And this actually was a great steal. I actually caught this. I saw this on sale on Amazon. It was a great steal. So, nice packaging, as you can see. It's the actual Michael Kors. It actually comes with Michael Kors ID number as well. So if you're actually looking to gift this would be an actual great way to gift. Look, comes with a Michael Kors book. Alright, that's all pretty nice. Let's get down to the actual watch. So, this is a men's watch. Look how beautiful that is. That is a nice, classy watch. If you are looking for a nice, classy male watch, that is what you need. Okay, it's great quality. It's not too expensive. The watch is actually only $119 right now, so $120 with the 2-day shipping with Prime. But look at that. Look at that. So I know a lot of people. Oh, I know a lot of people want to see details. So let's see. There's the actual face. Everything is working properly. Actually comes with Michael Kors tag. It's just an overall nice watch. If you want to know my wrist, I'm actually I'm actually 6'5", like 320 pounds, and it fits my wrist perfectly. Look at that. I don't even have to get any links taken out. No links need to be taken out, nothing. It fits everything just right. Look at that timepiece on there. And I got a lot of compliments on my last Michael Kors watch, so I keep ordering them. And it's just a great quality watch. It lasts a long time. Just a big fan of Michael Kors. So go grab it. They're on my Amazon list. Click the link. Go grab it. Fellas, this is a must-have for your watch collection. Go get it right now.